Okay, hi and welcome to another Ben Golding Guitar Masterclass. Okay, today we're having a look at another super easy classic tune. It's the wonderful With or Without You by U2. Okay, this one really is a simple song, so shouldn't give you any problems at all. And like I do say in all my tutorials, I'm going to go through the chords in just 1 second. The running order will come up on the screen, and if you already know the chords we're going to need, you may want to skip the video forward to simply playing the song rather than going through how to play each of the chords. But if you do need to brush up on your chords, the chords we're going to need are D, A, B minor and G. Okay, so without further ado, let's get on with trying those chords out. And this is for exactly the same key as the U2 version. This will fit in perfectly with the U2 version. Okay, so starting off, let's have a look at the D first. Okay, for this one, you just need to hold down the 3rd string in the 2nd fret, and then the 1st string in the 2nd fret, and then last of all the 2nd string in the 3rd fret, and there is your D. Okay, for the D we're trying to avoid hitting the E and the A at the top, the bass strings there, it's just the 4 lower strings. Okay, next let's have a look at an A. Okay, for this one you need to hold down the 4th string 2nd fret, then you hold down the 3rd string 2nd fret, and then you hold down the 2nd string in the 2nd fret. And for the A, you're trying to strum 5 strings. You're just missing out the bass E at the top there. It's the 5 below that. Okay, next up, let's have a look at the B minor. Okay, for this one, you need to hold down the 1st string 2nd fret. You then hold down the 2nd string 3rd fret, and then you then hold down the 4th string 4th fret, and the 3rd string in the 4th fret as well. Okay, there is your B minor, and for that, a little bit like the D, we're trying to avoid hitting the E and the A, the 2 bass strings there, and just the 4 lower strings. Okay, last of all, let's have a look at a G. For the G, we need to hold down the 5th string 2nd fret, we need to hold down the 6th string 3rd fret, and we need to hold down the 1st string in the 3rd fret as well. Okay, and there is your G. For the G, we're hitting all the strings. Okay, so as I always say, if you are just starting out, you may want to stop the video for a bit and just practice those chords so you can change quite comfortably between them. Okay, but if not, let's just crack straight on. The chords to the song are obviously going to come up on the screen, and let's just go through them straight away. I will be humming the tune, so you'll have to excuse the singing, but I'll hum the tune so you can see how the chords sit over the melody. Okay, and also for this one we're going to try very simple down, 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 up, change, change, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. Just that nice easy strumming pattern. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, and so on. Okay, so let's just start off with those, and we'll start off with a D major. Okay, so here we go. Okay, D, D, up, A, B minor, and G, and again D, D, down, up, A, down, up, B, down, up, G. Now here's this tune. D, da, da, A, and then B minor, and a G. simple as that tune. Really, really straightforward. Give it a try. Get the strumming pattern, the chord changes nice and smooth. Try the singing and it'll sound great. All the best, and I look forward to seeing you again soon for more simple, easy guitar songs with Ben Golding Guitar. Thanks and bye.